everyone. I'm Daryl, and welcome to the unboxing of the WAV Pro Wi-Fi receiver from Williams AV model number WF-R2. This receiver has the longest battery life and the largest screen on the market today, making for a great user experience for the venue and a simple navigation for the end user. As we open the box, the first thing you will find is the power supply and cord for charging the unit. Please note this may not be the same charger, as it will vary. This also includes power adapters for use in different countries. We also offer a different charger that allows you to charge up to 6 units at a time. If you need to order a 6-bay charger, that part number is a bit different depending upon the country. AC CHG 406-00 is for the US, 01 is for Europe, 02 is for UK, and 04 is for Australia. Underneath the power supply and charging cord, you will find a quick start manual. Under the quick start manual is a white envelope. Once you open the envelope, you will find the WF-R2 receiver, a screen protector, and a protective case are all included. Power and volume control is located on the side of the receiver. Top button is for volume up, middle button is for volume down, and the bottom button is the power on-off button. Press and hold the bottom button for a few seconds to power the unit on or off. The WF-R2 receiver has a much larger display featuring 6.8 inches of full HD plus display. This also includes Bluetooth capability. End users have the flexibility to use their own personal headphones, speakers, or hearing aids with the Williams AV Pro Wi-Fi receiver thanks to Bluetooth capability. A longer battery life provided by a lithium polymer battery features up to 40 hours of continuous operating time. Results may vary depending upon screen time, headset, earpiece, neck loop, or even Bluetooth, but it will last up to 40 hours per single charge. The WF-R2 Wi-Fi receiver's operating system is powered by Android. Providing users a dedicated Wi-Fi receiver makes this fully ADA compliant for your venue. Thanks for watching this video. If you should have any questions concerning this or any of our other products, feel free to contact us, visit our website, or follow us on social media.